Best privacy window security and style today. Choosing the best privacy window film can be overwhelming with numerous options available. Privacy films come in different styles, designs, and levels of opacity to suit various needs. They are perfect for residential or commercial spaces where privacy is essential. List number 1. Goo Window Privacy Film. Transform your windows with the Rabbit Goo Window Privacy Film. This stunning decorative sticker creates a rainbow effect, adding vibrant colors to any room. Enjoy privacy without sacrificing natural light, thanks to its 3D static cling design. Non-adhesive and easy to apply, it leaves no sticky residue. Perfect for heat control, it helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Sized at 17.5 by 78.7 inches, it's ideal for various window sizes. Advantages: enhances privacy without blocking natural light. Creates a beautiful rainbow effect in sunlight. Blocks harmful UV rays, protecting furniture. Easy to install with no adhesive required. Helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. List number 2. Frosted Glass Window. Transform your windows with the Dworsty Frosted Glass Window Privacy Film. This decorative film adds elegance to any space. It clings without glue, making it easy to apply and remove. Enjoy privacy in your bathroom while still letting light in. The film blocks UV rays and glare, enhancing comfort. Sized at 17.5 by 78.74 inches, it's perfect for most windows. Advantages: enhance privacy without sacrificing style with this window film. Its frosted design elegantly obscures views while letting light in. Perfect for bathrooms or any space needing discretion. Static cling technology makes installation easy and mess-free. No adhesives required. Simply apply, adjust, and enjoy a new level of privacy. Plus, it's removable and reusable. Benefit from its anti-UV and anti-glare properties. Protect furniture from harmful sun rays. Reduce glare on screens and improve indoor comfort. Heat blocking capabilities help maintain a cool environment. Save on energy bills by reducing heat through windows. A practical solution for hot, sunny days. Versatile size fits most standard windows. Cut and customize as needed. A simple way to upgrade window aesthetics with minimal effort. List number 3. Kavas Window Privacy Film. Transform your space with Kavas Window Privacy Film. This frosted glass covering enhances privacy while letting light in. Static cling design makes installation easy, no glue needed. Protects against harmful UV rays and controls heat, perfect for any season. Ideal for bathrooms, doors, and decorative purposes. Sized at 17.5 by 78.7 inches, it fits most windows. Add style and comfort to your home effortlessly. Advantages: enhances privacy effortlessly. Keep your space private without heavy curtains. Enjoy natural light while ensuring privacy. Ideal for bathrooms and bedrooms. Blocks harmful UV rays. Protect your home from sun damage. Prevents fading of furniture and floors. Keeps skin safe from harmful UV exposure. Reduces energy costs. Insulates windows to maintain indoor temperature. Keeps rooms cooler in summer, warmer in winter. Saves on heating and cooling bills. Easy installation. Static cling design requires no glue or adhesives. Simple to apply, remove, and reuse. Perfect for renters or temporary needs. Decorative and stylish. Adds a frosted glass effect to any window. Modern and sleek design enhances any room. Offers a stylish alternative to plain glass. List number 4. Privacy Film See Out. Enjoy the perfect balance of privacy and natural light with our window privacy film. This one-way film lets you see out while preventing others from seeing in. Easy to apply and remove, it's ideal for home use. The reflective static cling design also helps block heat, keeping your space cool. Measuring 17.5 by 78.7 inches, it fits most windows. The natural silver color adds a sleek touch to any room. Advantages. Enhance your home privacy with this innovative window film. Enjoy natural light while keeping prying eyes out. The film allows you to see outside without others seeing in. Keep your home cooler with heat-blocking technology. This feature reduces heat from the sun, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Easily install and remove the static cling film. No adhesive needed, ensuring a hassle-free application and removal process. Reflective surface adds a stylish touch to windows. A sleek, modern look while enhancing privacy and comfort. Protects interiors from harmful UV rays. Helps prevent fading of furniture and floors by blocking UV exposure. List number 5 is window privacy film. Enjoy privacy and style with Finez window privacy film. This 3D glass sticker offers heat control and anti-UV protection. Perfect for home and office, it measures 17.5 inches by 6.5 feet. The no-glue design makes installation easy and mess-free. Enhance your space while keeping it cool and protected. Advantages. Provides privacy without compromising natural light. Heat control helps maintain room temperature. Anti-UV feature protects furniture from fading. Easy installation with no glue needed. Adds decorative touch to glass surfaces.